Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Monica Janae, and in this episode I'm going to be doing a swatch and an eyeshadow look with the new Maybelline Soda Pop eyeshadow palette. I didn't mess up this time. Anyway, if you would like to see me do this, keep on watching, and also make sure you subscribe to this channel. Please turn your notification bell on, and also leave a comment before you exit out of this video. Okay, this palette just kind of officially released. If you go to ulta.com, the palette there is $13.99, but if you go to Maybelline.com, it's $11.99 MSRP. Okay, so you know where to go to grab this palette. It's also in drugstores, so you can also check your drugstores for this palette. I believe everybody is less than Ulta right now. Ulta is in the running with having this palette at $13.99, which is a little expensive for a drugstore. Well, for a Maybelline palette. This palette, it comes with 12 shades. There are, I believe, seven shimmers and 5 mattes. Now, one of these colors, I can't really tell if it's a matte or if it's a shimmer. But once we swatch, we'll find out. So, I'm going to go ahead and swatch these colors. Okay, because we get straight to the point over here, okay? But, wait, before I start to swatch, this palette also smells like Soda Pop. So, of course, that's somewhat like Too Faced with the whole, you know, scratch and sniff. But yeah, I think that's pretty cool. And this palette also, it screams fall, so I had to pick it up because I just seen the fall written all over this palette. But anyway, let's go ahead and get into swatching this palette. Okay, so this is the palette right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and start with the mattes first. I'm gonna swatch with the matte, so you can watch me swatch it. So this is a matte color, and the first color is Chilling. Pretty good. The second color I'm going to swatch is a matte, and this is Crushing. That's Crushing. Cherry on top. Ooh, this color's so pretty. Ooh. Cola Float. Oh yeah, root beer. Oh, ginger ale. This is ginger ale. Ginger ale is just a little close to Chilling. That's cool. Next color I'm gonna swatch is Soda Fizz. Oh my god, this color is gorgeous. Ooh. Tonic. Nice. Sugar High. Ooh. Grape Pop. Ooh. These look so much better off camera. Like, I swear this was worth the coin. Next color is Blue Raspberry. Ooh. And the last color is Cherry Cola. Ooh. So now that you've seen the swatches, I think those swatches are gorgeous. They really don't do any justice on camera because of the lighting and stuff like that. But they look really, really good on the skin. And they're, to me, I mean, I know I dug a little deep into the palette, but I think they're very pigmented. For a drugstore palette, of course, you know, it's only $10, you know what I'm saying? So, I mean, don't expect to get no matte quality out of a Maybelline whole $10 palette. But I think, I mean, most drugstore palettes, you know what I mean, of course, like Morphe and Makeup Revolution, like, you have to expect them not to be as pigmented as your higher end eyeshadows. So anyway, let's go ahead and jump in and do a look. So I went ahead and put my foundation on and prime my eyelids so I can just go ahead and get started, because you know, here we don't waste time. So anyway, let's go ahead and get started. So the first color that I'm going to go into is Ginger Ale, and I'm gonna use that as a transitional color. So let's just kind of see, because it is a little light. Go ahead and see. Okay, definitely not showing up, so you can't really see that color. So I'm just gonna go and try another color. So I'm going to the color Crushing, I guess Orange Soda. All right, it's a little, it looks a lot lighter in the palette. It looks a lot lighter in the palette, but it's definitely, of course, because it is drugstore, you're gonna have to build this up. Definitely an everyday eyeshadow palette. Just kind of get a little something of everything in here. The next color I'm gonna go into is Cola Float, which is, it's like a burnt orange. I don't know if it's like a burnt orange, maybe a brown. I'm just gonna put that in the crease. Maybe give it some depth. I'm gonna go into is Cherry on Top, and it looks like a plum color. It's called Cherry on Top, but it's like a plum with a little pink in it. So it looks a lot darker in the pan, and of course me blending it out, it's not as dark. Smells really good though. A little bit patchy, just slightly. I'm gonna go with Great Pop. I'm gonna take my chance. This does have some fallout. It's creamy. Like, it's not as chalky as I thought it would be, like most, you know, drugstore makeup eyeshadows. Well, eyeshadows are a little bit chalky. I definitely don't get that from this. But it does have some fallout. Like, I'm trying to be as careful because I don't want this to fall all over my face. Ooh, this is pretty. I got a hit with this one. Like, this just, like I said, it just totally screams fall. And I am all here for it. This palette is definitely worth the $10. Like, this is definitely gonna be a hit. It was already, like, it was sold out on Maybelline.com. I don't know if it's back available, but yeah, it's definitely, like, you can check some of your drugstores for this eyeshadow palette. I don't know, but I'm gonna go ahead and go off camera and complete my other eye, and I'll be right back. I like this palette though. This palette is the bomb. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up. So I'm gonna just line my lids. Alright, so next I'm going to add some mascara, and I'm just gonna tell you now, I'm not good at wing liner. I don't know why, but I always manage to jack it up. But I'm gonna add some mascara. I'm using Too Faced Better Than Sex. Alright, so I'm going to add some lashes. I have Lily lashes in Miami. I'm gonna add those. I'm gonna take a Smashbox waterproof liner. I'm gonna line, and it's in the color Royal. It's like purple. So I'm gonna line my bottom lash line. Alright, so I'm gonna go back into this palette. Not gonna hold it up because it's actually got a lot of fall back in it. So I'm gonna go back into the color Cherry on Top, and I'm going to place it on my lower lash. And I'm gonna take some Wet n Wild Lash Renegade, and I'm just gonna apply this to my lower lash. just a little bit. I'm gonna go back to this, into this palette again, and I'm going to take Soda Fizz. And Soda Fizz is like a foil. I feel like it's more like a foil because it's very creamy. So I'm just gonna put some of that in my lash. I mean, in my inner tear duct. Thought this is gonna be popping. It's not a highlighter, but still. And I'm gonna go some lipstick. I don't know what lipstick to go with. I had some gloss, so I really don't know. I have some gloss from ColourPop. This is kind of old. It's a Color Fluff. It's like a gray. I don't know if this color looks right, but I just seen it and picked it up. This is the color Fluff, but I think I'm gonna go with something a little bit. This is ColourPop Fluff. I think I'm gonna go with something else. For some reason, I'm just not really feeling this look. Alright, so I went and dug through the crates, and I found this MAC lipstick. Is it HEROINE? It looks like so damn old. It still works though. I'm gonna line my lips just a little bit, add a little liner. Alright, so this is my completed look. I guess my wing liner might be a little jacked up, but overall, run and get this palette. I don't work for Maybelline, and it's obvious by my subscriber that I don't work for anybody and I don't get paid by anybody. So I'm telling you from the heart, go and get this palette. Like, this is definitely, like, this screen, like, fall is my favorite season, and this palette screams fall. So I would definitely advise people to go out and grab this palette. This palette is really like it, like, you know, it's not as it's pigmented enough for $10. Like, it's definitely pigmented for $10. It smells really good. Has, I mean, you know what I'm saying, like, it's very buildable. Has some very good colors, great colors, very, you know, very great colors, a lot of everyday colors. Like, you definitely can use the palette every day. Like, this is an everyday palette. Like, this is definitely an everyday palette. Like, definitely go get this. Like, brown skin girls, it, you know, it does work. So I definitely will, like I might go grab a couple of these just to give away as like gifts for people, like, because I know everybody, all my friends and family that sees me with this palette is gonna be like, oh, what's that? Can I have that? Can I have that? Can I borrow it? I'm gonna copy one, so don't even worry about it. But yeah, definitely pick this palette up. Like, $9, $10, you can't go wrong. You're not gonna lose anything. Like, you can spend $10 eating out. So I mean, you might as well just go ahead and copy this palette. So anyway, I definitely give this palette a two thumbs up. Like, if I had 2 more, I would give 4 thumbs up. Definitely a good palette. Go out and purchase it. I'm telling you this from the heart. Good palette. So anyway, this wraps up. So before you go, again, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Make sure you turn your notification bell on and leave a comment down below. And also, most importantly, subscribe to this channel, okay? Please, thank you. Bye, and have a beautiful day.